Hi everyone, today I'm going to expose the countless videos and online content misleading and clickbaiting you to believe that you can make instant money using ChatGPT. I'll cover all of the popular ways and also tell you the reason why writing blogs, making a YouTube automation channel, creating courses, selling illustrations on Etsy and freelancing do not work. ChatGPT is not a magical money making machine. The only way to make money using ChatGPT is by teaching people how to make money using ChatGPT. And that is exactly what these influencers are doing. So without wasting a second, let's get started. Number 1. Writing blogs using AI and inserting affiliate links in them. Most of these videos conveniently skip the part of getting traffic to your blogs. In reality, getting organic traffic takes major SEO skills, a good amount of time and experimentation, and is not everyone's cup of tea. Another way is to get inorganic traffic by running sponsored ads or paying Google and then hoping that the traffic which comes to your blog generates substantial revenue to cover the costs. If you are not experienced in digital marketing or SEO, do not try this. You will burn your hands badly. Number 2, making a YouTube automation channel using ChatGPT generated scripts, AI voiceovers and AI video editors that automatically add stock video. Now the quality of content generated using this method is really poor and it will take you a lot of time to edit the video yourself. In addition, it will take you a lot of time and effort to qualify for the YouTube partner program limit of 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. Unless you make misleading videos teaching people how to make money using ChatGPT, in that case it might work. Number 3. Creating ebooks and Udemy courses using ChatGPT, Midjourney or AI video editors. Now the harsh reality is that it is much more difficult to sell a course or a book than to create it. And given the fact that AI is not going to generate anything new or relatively more valuable than the existing content, it will get that much more difficult to sell. Again, you would have to run paid ads on Instagram and YouTube, and if your course still doesn't sell, then my friend, you are sitting at a loss. Number 4. The hottest new trend of creating creatives and illustrations using ChatGPT and Midjourney and then selling them on Etsy. Now despite taking help from AI, it will take you a good amount of time to create and edit these creatives. Plus, selling on Etsy is challenging. You need to do SEO, put money into marketing and promotions, you need to focus on your branding, you need to create a lot of listings and be persistent for as long as 6 months to 1 year for you to have some significant sales. Number 5. Become a freelancer and sign up at Fiverr or Upwork and then provide services to clients such as logo designing, adding subtitles to videos, creating thumbnails or copywriting cold emails or blogs. And do all of this using AI. Now tell me one thing, why would a client come to a freelance platform and pay money when he could have as easily gone to an AI platform, paid a lower amount of money to get the work done? Well, the reason is that almost all of the times these clients want creativity and customization with these AI tools do not offer. Hence, they come to the freelance platforms. Now, if you give such a client work done using AI, then the chances are that the work will be below his acceptable standard. In conclusion, it is not as easy to make money using AI as many of these online content and videos make it seem. It requires a significant amount of time, skills, and effort to generate revenue through ChatGPT. So do not fall for this clickbaity or misleading content. Remember, AI tools will always assist humans, not replace them. If you found this video informative, then go and hit that like button, comment on the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.